Yeah, new drop is coming soon with fire.
What's up? Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jimmy Wonder, the eighth wonder of the world. What's up? Creativity has always been a part of the journey. Creativity is life. I live it. You know, there's no day I do not create something. Even as you the job, you are creating something in your stomach, man. Jimmy Wonder now is a superhero. Jimmy Wonder is coming with fire. Jimmy Wonder is new, is fresh, you know. And the single On the Road, I've been on the road, I've been doing stuff. It's been a journey. A lot of things have happened, by the way, you know. So you listen to the song. It's mad. It's new stuff. I bet you're gonna like it.